Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful beautiful 1970 Plymouth Cuda. Now this is a real Cuda, guys. VIN number starts BS23, which signifies that the car is a Cuda. It is not a real AAR, guys. He's added the stripes, he's added the hood. Very cool car, very nice car. Car runs and drives excellent. I took it for a ride today, put about 10 miles on it today, which is funny because this is actually the second time I've owned this car. A buddy of mine got this car from me, or got this car for me. I sold it to a gentleman out of Alabama, and like I say, other than, you know, quick seeing it, I can't say that I ever got a chance to drive it. I sold it, so it never even came to Michigan, and then I just took it back in on trade on a Mustang. But very nice car, again, real Cuda. It's about a 10-12-year-old restoration, guys, so it's not super fresh, but still a really nice car. I've seen a few blemishes in the paint I'll try to point out. Other than that, really hits the road good. Typical e-body, the way it drives. If you guys, anybody who's driven an e-body is going to know what I mean when I say that. They're a little rattly, not horrible, but you can definitely, to me, the B-bodies just drive better. But the car's tight, got a great sound to it, and like I say, hits the road good. Again, he's put all the AAR striping on it, of course the AAR hood, and like I say, car's nice. It's Plum Crazy purple, no fender tag on the car, so I couldn't tell you the original color. But dual body color mirrors. And again, I put about, like I say, about 8-10 miles on it today. Good car. Runs out strong, not a race car, but definitely got a good sound to it. Nice little cam, and it's a matching numbers 340 car, guys. It's got the power rear antenna. Car's nice and straight down the sides. Car's nice and clean underneath. It's got the 15-inch Mopar rallies with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. You can see it's got the correct Cuda rear valence with the chrome tips. Good sounding Flowmaster dual exhaust. He has added the AAR stripes. This is not a real AAR, guys. You can see a couple little stone pecks as you kind of walk around it. I've seen a few little blemishes in the paint, but still nice. Really, like I said, I'm not trying to pick it apart, but the paint's not perfect, but awfully nice. Does have front disc brakes. He did a nice job putting those AAR stripes on it. Again, matching numbers 340. Nice little Mopar performance camshaft in it. It's got the Holley dual feed 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake. Does have a set of headers on it. Power steering, manual front disc brakes, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Again, a little discolorization here in the paint as you look in the engine compartment. Does have electronic ignition. That was the one thing the tach wasn't working in the dash. A lot of times you got to buy the little converter kit to make those things work. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Pretty car. It's a cool color on these cars. Just jumps off them. Hood's nice and it fits good. It's a little stiff when you go to shut it. You got to man up when you go to shut it, but again, not horrible. Everybody takes anything I say way too literally, but you do have to push it down. Factory black interior, new sill plates, bucket seats, console, stock steering wheel. Headliner's nice. And a little crack in your steering wheel right there. It's got the factory rally dash showing 35,000 on it. I think he estimated about 5,000 miles on this car since it's been restored. AM radio, all the gauges work. The clock didn't work. The only thing on there that didn't work was the tach. And again, it's been converted to electronic ignition. Does have the fog lights up front. Your switches right here, they do work. Radio worked. Again, Flowmaster dual exhaust, 8 3/4, 323 Sure Grip rear. It is body color in the trunk. As you can see, it's all body color in here. It looks like the original trunk pan. I think it's had quarters put on it, guys. Don't 100% quote me to that, but I believe he told me this car had quarters on it. Floors looked original. Like I say, it's clean underneath. Drove really well. Really did. Hit the road nice. And it's got a great sound to it. Sorry, nice little dust. Boy's been waiting for me to get this done. Every time I go to do a video, all of a sudden I get pulled about 10 different ways. Seats are nice. Oh, they put a reverse light in it, and it works too. Of course, those were on the 4-speed cars, but they've actually got it wired in. It actually works. Yeah, dual color mirrors. The car's got great sound to it. Wait, give it a little rev, Jordan. Jordan's gonna come shut this hood. Car's got great sound. You can go ahead and pin it. Go ahead. Hood fits up good. Oh, Jordan's dropped a little money on the seat here. Speedo works. The like I say, the tach wasn't working. All the other gauges work. Car holds good oil pressure. Dropped your money in there on the seat. Doors open and close real nice. Backup lights work. Oh, he stalled it. They work, Jordan. Yep. Car's got great sound to it. Radio works. Blower motor works. Matter of fact, there's brand new. They just replaced those. Those are new. Again, the doors open and close nice. Wipers work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.